So hello guys, welcome to my vlog. So what we're going to unbox today is my first fridge freezer here in the UK. And that's really tall. And it doesn't fit that entrance, so I have to unbox it here in the other room. Maybe then, if I take the boxes out, then it'll probably slide. We'll see what we can do. So let's do the unboxing. You can't really see it well with that, but that's what I'm going to do. Okay, I'll show you. So we're going to cut this. And this. Okay, so that's the Samsung RB29F SRN-DBC/EU. So we'll see, guys. I have to push it inside. Maybe it can actually fit. We'll see. Bear with me, guys. Can't. It doesn't fit, guys. So I'm gonna have to put this in this room, I guess. So that's the ceiling. So this is still a very dirty room. It's because my sister moved out already. This was her room. because guys, I have to get this box, but I can't get it out there because then the fridge won't fit in, so I have to leave it here. Not my carpet, I went this flat. There's a wheel in this fridge, but I have to take this, see, the wheel there. There's a wheel there, and here as well, but I have to take this foam out. Well, in order to do that, someone should, it's a risk of falling, so I have to wait for someone to help me. But I just have to take this fridge out and that's it. Oh man, it's been 30 minutes. Oh my god, it's been nearly 1 hour. Oh. What am I doing, guys? I've made it! Oh my god, 55 minutes. I don't forget. So, oh my god. Thanks for watching. This is easy. It has actually the. Oh my dear. Oh my god. This one, I don't know. I'll have city council to fix that. We don't know when they're gonna collect that. I can give it for free, guys. But it's an old one. So this is the unboxing, guys. So let's do this. I don't know how I can properly show you. So like this. Okay, let's just do it together. So take this off. And this. Oh, so this is my small fridge. See, that's the big one. I don't think you can turn the light off. Well, that's black and white. I actually bought these, guys, because they've got a promotion that's the warranty will be 5 years parts and labor instead of 1 year, I think, or instead of 2 years, I'm not sure. But 5 years is good. If you want to buy something expensive, you need to have a warranty. So you don't worry, 5 years is fine, enough for me to save and get another one, you know, not buy and then get destroyed in a year or less than a year. So this is peace, for peace, worry free, guys. Anyway, yeah, clean that one later. Oh my god, I'll show you later. Oh, we're gonna do this now. So that. There's another one, last one. That. So, my Rama, if you're watching, here it is. So it says here, digital inverter. So let's do it together, guys. Where you hold the handle to open it. So that's how it looks like. It is this thing, I don't know. Yep. I think it will show the temperature of the fridge. Yes, so easy slide, da 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 da, Samsung, da 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 da. Oh, and they've got the thing there. The warranty cards and everything. Oh my god. It's got these plastics, guys. I'll let Remo take it off later. Yeah. And then there is the other one. So quality, guys. Yeah, it's got 3 drawers here. Oh, okay, and they give you a, I don't know, for making ice cubes, guys. So that's that, guys. And it has that thing, chicken, fish. What else is in there? I don't know, pizza. Full open box, low, negative 18 degrees. 6 to 12 months, 46 months, 1 to 2 months. Okay, and there. Well, I like it. There was an option like a bit cheaper, £20 cheaper. Like it has this thing, you have to put water and then there's a water dispenser in the middle. But I didn't like that. I don't like drinking cold water, so and in England it's really cold, so I don't need that because I need to put like juice. I normally buy 1.45 liter of juice here. I like it that it fits. And then milk, I sometimes buy 2 liters of milk there, which is really good. Then they've got the egg tray, which is nice. I don't know, I think this one just opens up. It's for putting butter. That's how they say there. Butter, a good butter. So that's it, guys. It says here easy slide. You can just slide it. I don't know for what reason, really. I don't know, but you can just reach. So I don't know why you need to slide, guys. I don't know why you need to slide. I don't know. Anyway, and this metal here, you can take that off and put it here, hang it here. You can put your wine there. Yada yada yada. That's it. So thanks for being with me, guys. It's been a very, 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 I don't know, near impossible. But I knew it's going to be possible. Because if there's a way, no, if there's a will, there's a way. So cheers, Samsung. I keep safe.